Hi guys, I'm just gonna try to make an MLB video. I've never done it before, but it looks like fun, and I watched all the other YouTubers, so I don't have too many packs. I'm sorry guys, but I just wanted to do a test run to see what it's like. So I just got these two silver packs. I doubt we'll pull anything good because they're not. They're only two. Yeah, Eric Solgaard had a pretty good year this last year though, surprisingly. Mostly with the Jays. So when he went to the Rays, he didn't do as well, but still a pretty solid year. See if we get anything. Probably not. No. 14 intermediates. Don't you hate it when you get intermediates? No, I don't mind. Any pack's a good pack. The other day I had 10 of them, and I think I got 4 golds. It was pretty crazy. Jackie Bradley. I would keep him for an upgrade once I get a Jackie Bradley for my team, because I'm trying to do a Boston deck, but I think I'll just combo him. I have a few. Not much though, guys. Sorry. Sorry once again. This isn't like a crazy pack opening or anything by any means. There's just a little bit to go here. And well, I've never really gotten a prime out of just 4 bronzes, which would be pretty nice. Maybe here. I don't know. Springer. Let's see. Nothing. Newton. Could do. What? We'll do. We'll risk it for the biscuits. Oh, nothing. Okay, then we get 1 good shuffle actually. I hate using 2 golds. I find using 1 gold gets me better stuff than 2. Oh. Zanino. Not too good, but I usually find they try to go diagonal or something. But, so I think he'll go diagonal, but we'll see. Oh, he went across. Well, guys, this was just like a thing to see if this was a cool thing to do. See, I don't know if anyone will actually watch this or anything, but if you did, thanks for watching, and maybe I'll do it again if you guys like it. Bye-bye.